Hey YouTube, I have an unboxing for you guys today. It's a Samsung HD monitor. It has 1080p Full HD. It's 59 centimeters, 23 by 6 diagonally. USB connect, mega LED contrast instead of LCD's LED. Magic angle vertical view, and 2 HDMI ports. There's 3 series, T24, B3050, 24-inch. Yeah, and here's all the ports it has. It has two HDMI's, audio out, input in, all that. I'll show you guys when I unbox it. So let's get to it. Put that up. So what do we got first? This is right now on Costco. This is on sale for $2 bills. Yeah, $2 bills. So what do you get here? Power cord. I'll collecting that out. VGA cable, batteries, instruction manual, all that. Put that away. You guys get your stand. Just a regular stand. Your remote. And let's compare it to the full Samsung TV remote. So that's how much different it is. Oh, what's this? Oh, and this is the stand. Looks like to be a clear part of crystal and a black underneath. Now the TV itself. Put this aside real quick. Tear up this box. 1 second. So here it is. Let me start getting this out. So here it is. HDMI. You have your source, menu, volume button, channel button, and power. Flip it over. We have 2 HDMI's, audio out, analog, VGA output, optical antenna in, and your usual microphone jack. Into using a regular 120 volt current with a Kingston lock. I'll be using it for my computer. I'll give you guys a review of that later. And I'll give you guys a review about this later. So yeah, subscribe. Thanks.